One of the very interesting things, sir, that you're talking about peace, everybody talks about peace. Everybody knows that peace is very important, global peace is very important for the world. But so far, other than talking about peace, no clear formula has come up. But fortunately for our generation, His Holiness Maharshi Mahesh Yogi Ji gave a formula for world peace or global peace, we can call it. In I think around 86, he gave a formula for world peace, and the formula was very simple. He had not only gave the formula in theory, he demonstrated it by practical experience that peace is possible by regular practice of a group of individual practice of transcendental meditation and advanced Vedic technologies by a group. And Maharshi asked all the governments all over the world that instead of spending money on force in military and army and accumulation of arms and ammunition, they should create a group of people practicing Vedic technology, which is coming from this country. The technology of peace is in the ancient scripture of our country, and that's what Maharshi Ji brought out. And he says with the guarantees, and I repeat those words that Maharshi Ji said, that peace is only possible by the Vedic technologies from India. And he gave a formula that square root of 1% of the population in one place practicing together these technology that Maharshi Ji has made can create world peace all over the world. And that formula, now all governments have tried all different kinds of formula. They talk about buying arms and ammunition and missiles and tanks and all these things. They think that will create peace. That will not create peace. That will create more war. That there is no formula for peace other than coming from this country, other than what Maharshi Ji has proposed.